everyone. Today I'm on the Junction City Riverwalk Trail. It's about an 8-mile trail. I don't know if I'll hit all of it today. I might just go about halfway and back. Got privileged to have a day off in the middle of the week, so Christina and the kids won't be joining me. Christina's in work, the kids are in school, so it's just me today. But looking forward to getting out on this trail. Haven't been on it in a very, very long time. I actually have forgotten most of what I've known about it. We used to run it when I was in the Army. It's right outside the gate of Fort Riley. But it's a beautiful day. It's about 42 degrees, which is the nicest it's been in a couple days around here. It's actually the warmest it's been. It's been around the 30s and either snowing or raining whenever we've had a day off. So got a little trail fever, ready to get that out. So the highlight of my day just happened. Caught a couple bald eagles just sitting across the river. Wasn't able to get very close to them, but I think I got a good shot. So as I mentioned before, this trail starts right in front of is right outside Fort Riley, Kansas. So the military uses it a lot for training. We used to do PT runs on it. And I just encountered a couple young soldiers who were out practicing their road marching skills. It's always good to see young troops. If you don't know, I'm a 10-year vet myself, and I like to stop and talk to them, get to know them. Well, I've got just under about 3 miles in on the trail, and I think I'm going to turn back. There's a spot here where it loops around and joins back up with itself. I'd like to do the whole thing today, but I've got a lot of stuff scheduled today, a lot of things I'm trying to take care of, and honestly, I don't think it's going to get any better than seeing 2 bald eagles on the trail. That's going to be the highlight of my day. That's probably going to be the highlight of my week. So thanks for coming along, and we'll catch you on the next one.